welcome to my channel Taigaman. My name is Algys. I live in Yakutia. Today I'm going to open my autumn duck hunting season 2025. Russian shotgun Saiga. I have two magazines for my shotgun, one cartridge. I have small shot for duck hunting, bird hunting, and bullet cartridge for angry animals, for example bears. I came another lake over there, a lot of sea ducks and pintails and teals, so I try shoot over there. Yes, good. Pintail, nice pintail. Teal. Нормальный ведь. Yes. I'm very lucky today. I got 3 big duck and 1 teal. So 1 duck on the lake. So deep water, and finally I got my pintail. Come here. Yeah, nice duck. Now I go back to my bike and I need drink warm water and eat something. I have a meat pie. I can eat meat pie and go next lake. We say in Yakutian language watach. In English maybe Fire Lake. I shoot my experimental video in English language. Maybe Yakutian people see my video and don't understand what I say. Evening is coming. Right now 7 o'clock. I'm go back my bike. One duck I don't find. He go out on the graces. Grace so many and so high. So I searched it a long time and finally I don't find him. Now I relax, waiting evening duck flying and drink warm water. My dinner include instant noodles and bread with butter. Iceland custom calls, made in USA, poly duck call, and my cap. You look at this. Show the duck again. Just now I'm got the second duck in this evening. I think this is pintail. Yes, pintail. Very nice. Nice shot. So today I have 9 ducks, 3 pintails and 5 Chevrolet big nose duck. I don't know how to say in English. We name it halba. In Russian language Shirokanoska. In English I think Chevrolet duck and 1 teal. So today I'm very happy, so glad I opened it today in Yakutia forest taiga. Our duck hunting season in autumn 2025 year. So if you want watch my video, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and like this video.